All right, so here's a look at our juicer. This is a juicer by QCen. So this is the brand that you're looking at right now. Now it's gonna have two settings on here. You got 1 and 2. So 1 is gonna be lower power, 2 is gonna be higher power. I typically like using the higher power when I'm making my juices just because I feel like it works better and faster, saves a little bit more time. Now I've got a couple of oranges that I've already pre-peeled, and I also have apples. I believe this can also handle things like the orange skin on the outside, but you can see this is pretty large, so I was just gonna peel it anyway so we could separate it. So let's go ahead, we're gonna make some orange juice and we're gonna mix it with apple, so we're gonna have a little apple orange juice. It's also gonna come with this piece too, so this is gonna be important, making sure that you're gonna be pressing everything down all the way onto the juicer. And real quick before we start, let me show you what it looks like on the inside. So you can see this is kind of the blade that's gonna chop everything up, and it's gonna squeeze the juice through this little filter here on the side, which is going to come over here to our juice container. And then over here on this side, this is where all the waste is going to go. So the actual dried out pieces of juice will go over here. All right, we got that out of the way. Let's go ahead and get started making the juice. So you want to make sure that everything is fully snapped in. You could also put this little lid on here just so that it's not splashing all over the place. And also make sure that this locks up all the way or it won't turn on. As you can see, if I've got it off and I try to turn it on, nothing. Snap it on and now it works. Plus, this container real quick, you could also pour the juice directly out of here. So it's got a little extra little piece of filter right there, and then you can kind of just pour that out right into your cup. So let's get started. So we'll take our oranges first, and I'm just gonna break them kind of into like quarters here. And I'm gonna fill this up. Let's get this kind of packed in here. All right, we've got pretty much a whole orange in there. We'll go ahead and turn it on to number 2, and let's start pressing down. There you can see our orange juice is coming out. It's looking good so far. Okay, now nothing's going around in there anymore, so that means that everything has gotten caught already. So let's go ahead. We're gonna pull this out. And I want to show you real quick before we add some more stuff in here. Once that stops spinning, I'll open it up and kind of show you what it looks like on the inside. So you can see all the waste kind of goes around the edges here. Down here in our container, we've got all the waste that's fallen down there. I mean, there's almost as much here as there is there. But once you go to clean this, you know, you'll have everything completely out. But the blades itself, you can see this is where the actual fruit is getting cut up and the juice is coming out of the sides. All right, let's go ahead, let's continue. Now let's try some apples. All right, so I got a couple of pieces in there. Let's go ahead and start it. I'm gonna press those down. And you could actually just open this up like that and throw it down. But you'll see it's not going anywhere. You're gonna have to make sure every time that you're pressing it down. Oops. Okay, let's press it down. There we go. All right, so we got a full apple and we've got a full orange, and look how much juice there is. I've tried some of the other juicers out there and they'll give me maybe half of this when it comes to using a whole orange and a whole apple, but this is a full drink right here just off of one. And if you've ever tried any other juicers, you'll know that this is quite a lot of juice for the amount of fruit that we actually put in. We still have another orange here, but I'm gonna go ahead and just pour this out into a glass so we can kind of see how it looks. Okay, let's put this lid on, and this is just gonna help again filter out any leftover pieces. And you can see what the orange juice, apple juice looks like. Very rich color, not a lot of pulp in here. Now if you wanted to, you could just not use this filter and you'll get a little bit more pulp coming out of here. But this looks amazing. It's got tons of character to it. It's not just gonna be like a thin store-bought juice. this is perfect for juicing. Now, I've also done other ones with leafy greens as well, and it works great. But you want to make sure that you really pack it in and fill it up, because remember, you need to push this down and push all the food down onto that blade. So you want to make sure that you got a nice gratuitous amount that you're going to throw in there. So if you're looking for a juicer that's going to provide you with a lot of juice with a little bit of fruit, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.